The two-legged pullback indicator is a pure price action indicator. That might sound like an oxymoron, because how does price action and indicators mix? Well, that's why this indicator is separated from the rest. It is an indicator that helps you read price action. It automatically does the hard work of reading price action so you can focus solely on the charts and context. The two-legged pullback indicator automatically marks and counts legs with numbers above and below the candles, automatically finds two-legged pullbacks for second entries with dark red and dark green numbers, automatically marks and identifies traps with magenta boxes. Not only that, it also tells you the upcoming leg count and the type it is to help you anticipate your next setup. It also comes with alerts, so the indicator can tell you when a second entry is approaching. The two-legged pullback indicator doesn't promise any profits, but it does take the hard work out of reading price action so you can solely focus on making profits. It is a tool that helps you identify second entries, but it's up to you to decide which second entries you want to enter.